Is your money ready for the future? I mean, really think about it. We live in a world where you can order a lifetime supply of rubber chickens from your phone while sitting on the toilet, and it arrives at your door the next day. You can find love, or at least a date for Friday night, by swiping right. You can even tell your house to turn on the lights so you don't trip over the cat again. Yet, when it comes to our money, it feels like we're still stuck in a black and white movie. We're using a system that was basically invented before the internet, before smartphones, before we even knew that Pluto wasn't really a planet. Sorry, Pluto. Think about the last time you had to deal with a bank for something serious. It's a whole production, isn't it? You have to find your important documents, which are probably hiding in a folder labeled Important Documents that you haven't seen in 5 years. You drive to a physical building, stand in a line, and talk to a person behind a thick pane of glass who asks you for 3 forms of ID, a blood sample, and the name of your first pet. It's a process. It's slow. It's like sending a message by carrier pigeon in an age of instant messaging. And you just accept it, because that's how it's always been done. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if managing your money was as easy as posting a picture of your lunch on Instagram? What if your financial world could be as connected, as instant, and as global as the rest of your life? This isn't some far-off science fiction dream where we all have flying cars and robot butlers, though a robot butler would be nice. This change is happening right now, quietly, in the background of our busy lives. New ideas and new technologies are knocking on the door of the old financial world, and they're not being very polite about it. They're ready to kick the door down. So the big question is, are we going to stick with the financial equivalent of a flip phone, or are we ready to upgrade? It's a conversation about more than just money. It's about control. It's about access. And it's about what kind of future we want to build for ourselves. We're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to the familiar, comfortable, but slightly creaky old bank. The other path leads to something new, something digital, and something that promises to put the power back into our hands. Or, into our phones, which are basically attached to our hands anyway. Let's explore that.